Welcome back to MHS. Let's talk about whiteboard assignments. What if I told you you could assign any Mhs Pdf and have students show their work on our interactive whiteboard? What if I told you you could assign any of your own resources and have students show their work? You heard that correctly. You can use this feature for any of your own stuff as well as for any Mhs resource. A lot of teachers tell us that not all students do their assignments unless they are graded. We understand that students don't necessarily see the correlation between effort and results, and society, schools, and kids have changed significantly. While we cannot turn back the clock, we have a great way to address that problem. When you assign a whiteboard assignment, the system automatically creates a column for the assignment in your gradebook. You can instantly see whether a student has done work or submitted the assignment. You can choose whether you want to grade the assignment, spot check and grade a single question, just add comments, or not grade it at all. Either way, you have a record of what the student has done or not done that stays in your gradebook for the whole course. When students receive a whiteboard assignment, they can use the interactive whiteboard to show work or do their work by hand and take a photo of it with their phone. They feel an increased level of accountability, and completion rates tend to be higher as students understand that whether they complete it or not is visible to their teacher. So, how do you turn any Mhs Pdf into a whiteboard assignment? Beside any PDF, click Assign to Students. In the window that opens up, check the box to use this assignment for grading. Select the term and the category where you would like it to be placed in your gradebook. Choose the start date and the due date. Your notification preference selects who you would like to receive an email alert for the new assignment. Select the total grade, what the assignment is out of. Click Assign Document. Note that the files must be in PDF format in order to make them the backdrop on the whiteboard. Any file can be saved as a PDF. Here are the steps to do it from a Google Doc or from Microsoft Word. In Google Docs, go to File, Download, PDF Document. In MS Word, go to File, Save As, File Format, and PDF. Once the file is on your computer in PDF format, it can be uploaded to your MHS teacher account. Now let's look at how to turn your own resources into whiteboard assignments. Go to the bottom of the chapter for this topic in your teacher account. Click on Teacher Resources. Now click on Add a Resource. A window opens that displays all of the resources you have uploaded for that chapter. Select a resource type. For whiteboard assignments, you need to choose a PDF document. Click Choose File and locate the file on your computer. Enter the title that you would like to display and enter a description of the resource. Click Insert Resource. You will see a success message to let you know the file was uploaded. Click Close, then click the X in the top right to close out this window. click on Teacher Resources again for that chapter. You will now see that the document is available as one of your resources for this chapter. The resource will also stay in your account forever. The next time you teach this curriculum, the resource will still be available to you. If you ever want to delete a resource, click the trash icon beside the resource. Click on the Adobe icon or anywhere on the title to view or assign the resource. To download the document, click View. To send it out to your class, click Assign. The same options show up as when you assign an Mhs Pdf. Click Use this assignment for grading to make it a whiteboard assignment. More options will appear. Fill out the criteria for that assignment, then click Assign Document. Let's take a look at what a student sees when they log in on their computer. The whiteboard assignment will be located in the Assignments tile. Under Workbook Assignments, click Open. The assignment will open on the Mhs whiteboard. Students can use any of the whiteboard tools to show their work. Students can show their work directly on top of the document, or they can add more blank whiteboard sheets if they need more space. Use the Page drop-down to navigate to other pages of the PDF document. Students can download and print the PDF document if they want to do their work by hand. When they are finished, they click Submit, which lets you know it's ready to review. On a phone, students can take a photo of their handwritten work and attach it to their assignment. Log into the Mhs Student app. Click on the document under Workbook Assignments. Click to download the PDF or to show your work. This is what happens if you choose to show your work. Select what page of the document to add a photo to, then click Next. Click Take Photo. This opens the camera on your phone. Take a photo of your work and click Use Photo. Click Upload. Now choose to rotate or delete if necessary. Click Back to add more photos or to submit. You can select another page to add work to, or you can exit assignment. Click Submit Assignment when you're done. Let's take a look at what the teacher sees. If you open your gradebook, you will see a column for the whiteboard assignment. All of the grades will be marked as NA and will not factor into your grades unless you choose to grade the assignment. To open a student's assignment, click on their grade or the eyeball icon. If the student used the whiteboard tools, you will see the PDF document marked up with their work for the assignment. When clicking on the Page drop-down, the green check marks indicate the pages for which the student has shown work. If the student uploaded a photo with their phone, click the toggle to see the photo of their work. You can mark up their assignment with any of the drawing tools or text boxes. This student added multiple sheets of work to this page. Once a student submits the assignment, they no longer have access to it. Students may submit assignments by mistake, or you may just want them to continue working on it. To send the assignment back to the student, click the Additional Options link. Enter a grade for the assignment and it will transfer to your gradebook. Click the NA in the grading box. Enter the student's grade. Click Save to save the grade and close the window. Click the second button to save and send an email alerting the student and/or parents. Any grades entered are immediately transferred to your MHS gradebook. And if you don't grade the assignment, it doesn't matter. The grades are not included in student grade calculations unless you enter a grade. In summary, MHS Whiteboard Assignments allow you to turn any resource into an interactive whiteboard assignment that is linked to your gradebook and the MHS messaging system. We hope you enjoy using Whiteboard Assignments with your students. And please, let us know what you think. Your feedback is what makes MHS better. That's all for now. See you next time.